Hi guys, this is Arif from TechShare. Today I am going to show you guys how can you install or run Solr in Azure infrastructure as an app service. So basically, you actually have a lot of other options. So you could have run a virtual machine where you can install Solr. You can have use other different container approach to host your Solr, but I really like to run Solr as a app service, which is really interesting because easy to manage, easy to configure, and yeah, you can easily do a lot of other thing. But app service Solr is not a .NET sort of service or application, so it would be some sort of tricky if you want to use app service Solr as an app service. But yeah, you can, when you say app service, basically Microsoft out of the box supports you all the different servers. So this, for that you really don't need to configure anything, you don't need to do anything. So if you use the latest portal of Microsoft, then what you just need to do is just add. So let me create an web app, and then use your Visual. Okay, I have the Visual Studio Professional subscription. You can have a resource group, or you can create one. So let me create this one, is Solr resource group. Okay, do that, and the web app name is Solr server. Maybe yeah, Solr server. Yeah, and then runtime we can use yeah, basically you can use Java, blah blah blah. So what I am gonna do this is so you can also publish in code or Docker container. So I'm not gonna change anything here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to select this one as maybe .NET has different options: Java, Node, PHP, Python, Ruby. Well, I'm gonna use the latest one. Well, I think 5 is too early. Let me use this one. Yep. And I'm gonna use the Australian Southeast region, and then okay, so review and create. So I am going to fast track this process now. So once the application app service is ready, I will come back to you guys. Okay, you can see now the deployment is completed, right? So what we can do now, we can jump into the resource group, and the next thing you need to do is you need to download the Solr from the Apache. So that is really easy. What you can do is just type download Solr, and then it will actually give you to the Apache a Solr download page where you can actually select any of those Solr versions that we have there. So I have already downloaded this Solr 662, and I unzipped that on here. So everything is just here. And also what I did is I created this web config file. So this is really important. So I'm going to attach this web config file with this video in the description as well. So what you just need to do is you need to copy paste this. So what it does basically, so it tells that okay, if there is any handlers like this, use this Solr command. Okay, this kind of thing. And now you just need this one copy pasted in the same directory. And what we can do further is we just need to deploy this application. So how we can do that? So normally I prefer, actually there are a lot of other options, but I really prefer this advanced tools. And then we can go to the advanced tools and we can log in here, and then after that we just need to copy paste all of these contents to the root directory. And this is really easy. What you need to do is go to your command debug console and find out the site folder in here, and then go inside that, and then there is a www root folder, and this is your page basically, root. So everything is selected here. So what we just need to do is to drag and drop everything inside that. So let's do that. And now yeah, it will take a lot of time, so I'm not gonna I'm going to fast track this one as well. Once this is ready, then I'll come back to you guys again. So guys, you can see here now, so it is actually all uploaded here. So now I am going to, okay, let me just make sure this web config file is there. I guess that is not here yet, so let me copy paste this web config file as well, and then basically that's it. So I'm not sure if anything missing here or not, so let me try. So once your everything is there copied, then what we need to do is you need to go to the app service overview and just restart the app service this way. Just go and restart, and it will just prompt you if you are actually going to restart or not. So now what we'll have is this URL is already there. Copy this URL, and then since you restarted, right, so it will be sort of down for a while. So you just need to wait and see, and basically if it works, then we can be able to access the Solr instance. So you can, as I told you, the Solr service would be unavailable for some time, because since the application is getting restarted, so it will also, you know, restart the Solr itself, and Solr sometimes takes a bit time. So I'll just come back when I'll get the proper response, not like service unavailable. After refreshing, you can see here the Solr is actually running here. So there is no Solr, there is no core admin, so I haven't installed any index, created any index so far, so that is empty. So but the idea is, you know, you can easily see here that through the Microsoft Azure app service, I actually hosted Solr. So Solr is now hosted there, and it's accessible here. It is just now open instance. So basically we might need to protect that one, but yeah, so that is a different story. The Solr is now working very fine. So the second video I'm going to continue with this series is basically to create a index first, number one, and then how actually you can configure the Solr schema so that you can index your document. So that would be my second video. So second video I'll briefly go through, maybe we'll create some dummy data from a table or somewhere, and then we are going to use Solr net library, and we are gonna push the data to the Solr, and we'll see how it works with the help of Solr schema and everything. So till then, have a good night. Bye bye. We'll see you very soon.